Hi friends, good day to all of you. In today's video, let's talk about solo parents and their benefits. Kasali ka ba sa mga solo parents? Well, malalaman po ninyo sa videong ito. Meron pong more than 7 categories or example kung sino-sino po ang nabilong sa solo parents. Alright? And sa last part ng video, alamin po ninyo ang mga benefits as solo parents. Alright? Are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Disclaimer, ang video content natin ay hindi personal opinion but based on research sa reliable website. Ito po yung source of information natin. Republic Act number 118611 or Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act. Alright? Let's start with question number 1. Sino-sino po ang makonsider na solo parents? Answer, Section 4, Categories of Solo Parent. A solo parent refers to any individual who falls under any of the following categories. Letter A parent who provides sole parental care and support of the child or children due to, number 1, birth as a consequence of rape even without final conviction, provided that the mother has the sole parental care and support of the child or children. Number 2, death of the spouse. Number 3, detention of the spouse for at least 3 months or service of sentence for a criminal conviction. Number 4, physical or mental incapacity of the spouse as certified by a public or private doctor. Number 5, legal separation for at least 6 months and the solo parent is entrusted with the solo parental care and support of the child or children. Number 6, declaration of nullity or annulment of marriage as decreed by a court recognized by a law or due to divorce subject to existing laws and the solo parent is entrusted with the sole parental care and support of the child or children. Number 7, abandonment by the spouse for at least 6 months. Letter B, spouse or any family member of an overseas Filipino worker or the guardian of the child or children of an OFW, provided that the said OFW belongs to the low or semi-skilled worker category and is away from the Philippines for an interrupted period of 12 months. Letter C, unmarried mother or father who keeps and rears the child or children. Letter D, any legal guardian, adoptive or foster parent who solely provides parental care and support to a child or children. Letter E, any relative within the fourth civil degree of consanguinity or affinity of the parent or legal guardian who assumes parental care and support of the child or children as a result of the death, abandonment, disappearance, or absence of the parents or solo parent for at least 6 months, provided that in cases of solo grandparents who are senior citizens but who have the sole parental care and support over their grandchildren who are unmarried or unemployed and 22 years old or below, or those 22 years old or over but who are unable to fully take care or protect themselves from abuse, neglect, cruelty, exploitation, or discrimination because of a physical or mental disability or condition. Letter F, a pregnant woman who provides sole parental care and support to her unborn child or children. Before we continue to the exciting and interesting part sa video ito, konting favor lang po. If hindi ka pa subscriber sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button below, yang sa baba, and hit the notification bell also para updated ka sa new videos ko weekly. Alright? By the way, I'm Professor Allan. Gumagawa ako ng mga helpful videos for employees and students like this. Opo, yan po ang mga recent video ko. Napakagandang videos. Alright? Second question. Ano po ang mga benefits ng solo parents? Answer, number 1, parental leave. 7 working days with pay every year regardless of employment status who has rendered service of at least 6 months. This may be availed by the solo parent employees in the government and the private sector. So, ibig sabihin, regardless of employment status, like regular, contractual, casual, or job order, so maka-avail ng parental leave. Very clear whether government or private companies. Number 2, educational benefits. The DepEd, CHED, and TESDA shall provide for solo parents and a full school scholarship for one child of a solo parent. Number 3, social safety assistance during disasters, calamities, pandemics, and other public health crises. As may be declared by the DOH, the sole parents and their children are entitled to food, medicines, and financial aid. So, very clear. So, mag-provide ng pagkain, ng mga gamot, and pera sa mga solo parents and their children in time of disasters, calamities, pandemics, and other public health crisis, no? Basta i-declare ng DOH. Number 4, special protections for adolescent solo parents. DSWD and the DOH shall provide counseling and psychosocial services and from DepEd, CHED, and TESDA in the form of home-based and school or technical education. Number 5, child support of the abused, abandoned, or neglected solo parents who are victims of domestic violence. He or she may seek the help of the DSWD, which in turn shall coordinate with the respective barangay officials and or police officers where the abused, abandoned, or neglected parent resides to provide immediate assistance if the co-parent is gainfully employed and the abused, abandoned, or neglected parent shall have the right to retain a portion of the former's income to be agreed upon by both parents or by a valid order issued by a court of competent jurisdiction for the support of the child. So very clear, no, mga friends, na he or she. So it could be yung lalaki or babae na solo parent. So merong child support. Pag ang partner ninyo ay may trabaho, so meron kayong child support dyan. Depende sa agreement between you and your partner na i-abandon kayo. Of course, with the court order. Yan po ang benefits ng solo parent. Now you know sino po yung solo parents. Meron tayong 7, no? 7 categories or example. In fact, more than 7. And then yung benefits ninyo na gi-enumerate ko earlier. So you should be aware of that. Alright, so hope you learn from our topic today. So kung may comment kayo, may question, and hindi ko na-explain, please write in our comment section below. I will make time to answer that. Alright? See you in my next video. Good luck, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.